Raymond, Pastor Espine, Discursos para kay Espine. Babasa mo ito, Pastor Fabian. Fabian, Pastor De La Cruz, De La Cruz, De La Cruz. Pastor Giles, Giles, Giles. Pastor Fabian, Fabian. Sandres, Fabian. Attention yan, ang pantayong copy. Magno, Magno. Magno, Pastor, Raymond, 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 Pastor, Espine, Pastor, Bidan. Sabit. Dines, first personal foul, first team foul. Third shot is good, kaya Bidan. Second shot. Nandun, Raymond, Ibanez. Pastor Fabian. Fabian. Pastor De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Continue shoot. Pastor Art. Kulang. 2 points para kay Art Ibanez. Kahit pa pass to Magno. Kulang jumper. Nandun, Raymond Reyes. Pass to De La Cruz. Pastor Art, Pastor Fabian, 15 shoot Fabian, Wakali, isko ko siya para Fabian. Dahil control Pastor Espine, Pastor Bidan, Spiko, Nandun, Nalibon ni Reyes, Pastor De La Cruz, kay Spin, Raymond, Nabani Magno, Pastor, Spin De La Cruz, Pastor Fabian, Pastor De La Cruz, Pastor Kabasa, foul. Dahil first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Kabasa. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 43 seconds. First shot is good. Nandun, 1-2 para kay Kabasa. First set na, all 15. Espine, pass to Magno. Looking for his teammate. 15 to shoot, pass to Espine. On. Fabian, first personal foul, second team foul. Bidan, pass to Magno, pick, Magno, Nandun, Narimali, Bidan, Bidan pa rin. Gusto rin. Yes, in second team lens, first personal foul, third team foul. First shot is not good, second shot. Second shot is good. Fabian, pass to Reyes, pass to Ibanez, drive, Ibanez, foul, no good, puntang para kay Ibanez, isko po siya para kay Art Ibanez. Bidan pa naman pass to Espine, pass to Magno. Susok sa 3, airball.
Maganda pa ang
Fabian, pass to Tabuena, pass to Reyes, Campbell, Nandun, Narimoli, Magno, pass to Raymond, pass, possession pass sa Green Fitness. Fabian, control pass to Tabuena, dribbling the ball. Tabuena, pass to Fabian, ayaw para kay Reyes, Pample, susunod classes, 2 points para kay Reyes. Espine, drive, pass to Raymond Chavez, no good, Narimoli, Kabasa. Mabasa. Pass to Tabuena. 50 punta jumper. It's good. Para kay Tabuena.
Huwag nila magkulang gabi.
Cardo, crossover, right back, nice delivery. Fabian, tukon to situation. Fabian. Time out! JVD. Remain time 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Score natin 23-16. 7 point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Hindi sayang ang uniforme.
Ball pass to Resmile. Pass to Magdo. Pass to Vidal, pass to Raymond. Pass to Olarte. Use the blast, na blue, dali ba Vidal? Bagyo pa rin, narito na Resmile. These 2 points para kay Resmile. Tabuena. Pass to para kay Art. These 2 points siya para kay Art Ibanez.
May ano sila.
Espile, crossover. Pass to Marco. Open 5 for 3. Marco, Tabuena. Pass break na naman para kay. Nice to ni Marco. Get back. Marco. Punta ka kay Vidal. Kaya ka rin bola. Vidal. Marco, kaya ka rin napasa. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to Kyle. Slam dunk para kay Kyle Fabian. Kala ko ayaw mo dumang. Espile, ayaw ka pa sa akin ha. Espile, pass to Raymond. Miscommunication, bola mapupunta sa Twin Fitness. Welcome to Auto Paint Cup Season 1, Kyle. Art. Nanto, dari ko na Espile, pass break para kay Raymond. Ang tama na rin Raymond. Kapasa, first personal foul.
Anak ko sponsor. Yun naman, igil.
Kapasa, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot is good. Second shot.
Ganyan ang sorry. Pag ganyan ang bibigyan ng uniforme ay nakakayaan ka.
Not good. 1-2 para kay Raymond. Tabuena. Offensive foul para kay Sabre. Tampel Reyes, first personal foul. Back on the ball, pass to Garcia, pass to Marco. Pass to Olarte, pass to Vidal, use the glass, use 2 points para kay Vidal, nag-flex pa. Tabuena, pass to Art, these 2 points siya para kay Art Ibanez. Garcia, pass to Magdo, speedboat Magdo, nakuha ni Olarte, binahi-bali! These 2 points siya para kay Joe Olarte. Nasa kaliwa na, aluta pa ng kanan. Tabuena, pass to Kyle, looking for his teammate, pass to Kapasa. Simon. Sabre, pasok, labas. Sabre. 16 seconds to shoot. Remain time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to Fabian. Garcia, first personal foul, second team foul. Fabian, pass to Tabuena, pass to Kyle, open 5 for 3. Airborne, nakuha ni Guinness. Pass to Tabuena, Isco balls para kay Tabuena. Vidal, manual pass to Garcia. Pass to Magno. Magno. Tip shoot. Pass to Vidal, pass to Ularte. Isco balls yan. Para kay Ularte. Lumilipad 55 seconds, Tabuena. Pass to Art. 15 shoot, Art. Crossover, Art. Pull up jumper. Not to Reboli. Vidal ang bola. Nagkaula. Vidal. Inside move, not good. Helmet foul. Penalty. Giles, second personal foul, penalty. First shot para Vidal. First shot is not good. Second shot, remaining time last 38 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Second shot. 1 out of 2 para kay Vidal. Giles inbound the ball, pass to Tabuena. Pass to Kyle, binalik kay Tabuena. Pass to Talintin. Binalik kay Tabuena, pass to Giles. Pass to Art, pass to Talintin. Sa 3! Not good, nariboning. Put back para kay Kyle. Yatang isok, last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Garcia, pass to Vidal. 12 points, last 3 seconds. Pass na Talintin. Tabuena. Wala ng oras, end of the first quarter. Score natin 33-28, 5-point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Second quarter. Shoutout po dyan kay Mati O. Happy birthday sa'yo. Alfonso na yan. Possession para sa JBD. Tumali pa naman pass to Garcia. Pass to Ularte. Pass to Garcia, pass to Tubal. Pass to Magno, pull up jumper. Not good, Daniboli. Giles, pass to Reyes. Pass to Talintin, pass to Ularte. Pass to Casis. Pass to Vidal, use the glass. Not good, Daniboli. Tabuena, pass to para kay Kyle. Wala na situation. Pump, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Tubal, pass to Casis. Pass to Ularte, susubok. Tama, nakuha ni Magno. 15 to shoot, pass to Ularte. Not good, Daniboli. Kyle. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to Kyle. Pass to Giles. Pass to Reyes. 2 points para kay Reyes. Lumali pa ball, pass to Magno. Crossover. Magno, pull up jumper. Isko ko siya para kay Andrex Magno. Fabian pa pass to Tabuena. Nagkiti mo para sa Twins. Tabuena. Pass to Kyle. 15 shoot, Kyle. No good, Daniboli. Giles. Yes, na basket, may kasama foul. Tubal. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot para kay Giles. Sabi. Tubal. Pass to Casis. Pass to Magno. Casis, pass to Ularte. Pass to Tubal. 15. Reyes. Tabuena. Wala bola. Possession para sa JBD. Magno, sa 3. No good. Nalimoni. Gasis. Wala ang bola. Nakuha ni. Fabian, pass to. Talinting. Isi Douglas. Isi Douglas para kay Talinting. Kumari pa doon, pass to Magno, drive. Magno, black. Nakuha ni Guinness. Pass to Fabian, pass to Reyes. Tato, Nalimoni. Picacho, nawala ang bola. Picacho pa rin. Pass to Olarte, pass to Gasis. Sabit. Fabian, pass to Tabena. Pass to Reyes. Black, nakupunta pa kay Giles. Dobi pa rin, Giles pa rin, Giles. Yes sa basket, may kasama pang foul. Jersey number 9, Ricacho. Vice President foul, second team foul. Ball shot para kay Giles. Ball shot is good. Ricacho yung pass to Raymond. Pass to Tubal. Dinamit kay Raymond. 15 to shoot, pass to Gasis. Sa 3. No good, nalimating. Ricacho. This two pass na kay Ricacho. Fabian. Pass to Tabena. Pull up jumper. Nandun, nalimating Ricacho. Pass to Gasis. Pass to Ularte. Kiss na glass. Iskuto siya para kay Joe. Ularte. Tabena. Pass to Talinting. Pass to Giles pa rin. Kiss na glass. Iskuto siya para kay Giles. Raymond. Pass to Tubal. Sa 3. Tubal! Ang insenyo ng Minimo. Tabena. Pass to Giles. Pass to Fabian. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Talinting sa 3. Talinting! Ang insenyo ng Minimo sa Pagini. Ricacho yung patrol. Pass to Gasis. Pass to Raymond. Pass to Gasis. Pass to Tubal. Ito siya Tubal. Ito tayo jumper. Nandun. Nalimutin Giles. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Kai. Gusto ko siya para kay Kai. Fabian. Tubal. Pass to Olarte. Pass to Gasis. Pass to Raymond. 15 to shoot. Pass to Gasis. Gasis fake. Gasis. 10 to shoot lang. Ako ni Reyes. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Talinting. Is 2 points para kay Talinting. Nice pass. Nice shot. Raymond. Pass to Tubal. 15 to shoot. Tubal. Pass to Raymond. Sa 3. Nandun. Talinting. Pass to Giles. Sa takas. Tubal. Pass to Ularte. Pass to Ricacho. Isko ko siya para kay Ricacho. Talinting. Foul ball. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Kai. Open 5-3. Nandun. Tubal. Sabret. Possession para sa JVD. Tubal. Pass to Esmile. Pass to Raymond. Pass to Tubal. Open 5-3. Tubal! Tuban, Louis Atensenian ng Lensen Lifestyle. Pabasa. Pasto Tabena, 50 na jumper, Tagyo na rebound De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 10 to shoot, pass to. Pabasa, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Nice game, Espile. 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 Double dribble. Pasunin daw muna ang tricycle dito. Patanggal daw po muna. 67 pa daw na. Pasunin daw po. Patanggal po muna. Salamat. Pabasa. Pass to Tabena. Tabena. Pass to Reyes. Nice pass. Nice shot. Para kay Reyes. Espile. Espile. Pass to Tuban. Pass to Tag. Ito shoot. Pass to Espile. Sa 3. Espile. Louis Atensenian ng Labigyan. Doon. Kalawakan. Tabena. Tabena. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Cabasa. Ito shoot. Cabasa. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Tabena. Tabena naman ang bola. Nakuha ni Tuban. Pass to Espile. 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 Pass to Olarte. Pass to Espile. Espile. Disco points para kay Espile. Bañez. Pass to Reyes. Dribbling shot 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Bañez. Bañez na kusot. Pass to Cabasa. Tuban. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 40 seconds to shoot. Pabasa ang the ball. Pass to Art. Pass to Tabena. Susubok sa 3. Tagdud. Naribang ni Olarte. Olarte. Nawala bola. Ano pa rin? Olarte. Double dribble. Remaining time. 2 minutes and 16 seconds para sa ating first half. Pabasa ang ball, pass to Reyes. Pass to Tabena. 8 to shoot. Pass to Pabasa. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Stop it back. Tagyo. Pass break para kay Raymond. 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 Gets the basket. May kasamang foul. Pabasa, second personal foul. First team foul. One shot para kay Raymond. Tablet. De La Cruz. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Tabena. 15 to shoot. Tabena. Not good. Raymond Espile. Pass to Raymond. 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 Top. Pass to. Pass to. Nice steal to Tabena. 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 Isu points para kay Tabena. Dahil mag-pass to Espile. Nice steal ni Cabasa. 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 Pass to Tabena. Nice steal ni Tuban. Walang bola, kanya pa rin. Tuban. Nice steal ni Art. Art. Right back, Art. Pass to Tabena. Pasundot. Save ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds to shoot. Tabena, pass to De La Cruz. Open part for 3. De La Cruz. 3. Atensenian ng 5 aces on the deal. Espile. Pass to Tuban. Susubok sa 3. Not good. Airborne. Nariboni. Art. 55 seconds. Pass to De La Cruz ulit. Starting back for 3. De La Cruz. 3. Atensenian ng suwabe. Back to back press para kay De La Cruz. Espile na sundot ng bola. Kanya pa rin. Long good. Nariboni Cabasa. Pass to to Tabena. Tabena, pass to De La Cruz. Open back for 3. Tago, Neriboni. Tumal. Raymond, back Raymond. Discovers para Raymond. 20 seconds. Shot na isok. Pamasa, pass to Reyes. Dumbbell. Pass to Tabena. 10 seconds. Pass na narinig. Tabena. Pass to De La Cruz. 4 seconds. Pass to De La Cruz. Bola. Raymond. End of the first half. Score natin 62-52. 10-point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Papian, pass to De La Cruz, binigay Papian. Pass, De La Cruz, pulang jumper. Randu, Neriboni. Vidal, pass to Magno. Pass to Raymond, pulang. Discovers para kay Raymond. Papian. Pass to De La Cruz, pass to Kabasa. Long 2. 22 points para kay Kabasa. Espile, control, pass to Magno. Pass to Espile, open 5 for 3. Not good, Neriboni. Art. Pass to Fabian, pulang. Not good, Neriboni, Espile. Pass to Magno. 3-on-2 situation, Magno. Pass to Vidal. 2 points para kay Vidal. Kabasa, control, pass to Giles, binalik Kabasa. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Kabasa. 15 to shoot, pass to Giles. Pass to Fabian. Sinubo na ang bola. 2 points para kay Fabian. Espile. Pass to Magno. 16 seconds to shoot. Magno in front of the ball. Pass to Espile. Pass to Magno. 10 to shoot. Pass to Reyes sa 3. No good. Neriboni, Giles. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Kabasa. Haliw pa ka Not good. Pass to Magno. Pass to Espile. Kaya not good. Neriboni, Vidal. 2 points para Vidal. Sayang yung coach. De La Cruz, pass to Giles. Giles, pass to Kabasa, pass to De La Cruz. Not good, Neriboni. Giles, pass to Kyle, pass to De La Cruz ulit, De La Cruz, 15-point jumper. Not good, Neriboni. Espile, pass to Raymond, pass to Vidal.
Medic.
Who's foul, ref? De La Cruz, first personal foul, first team foul. Okay, 2 shots. Two shots. Para kay... First shot is not good. Second shot. Not good pa rin. Nariban ni Tabuena. Tabuena, nagtitimang pa sa Twin Fitness. Pass to Fabian. Fabian. 15-point line jumper. These 2 points para kay Kyle. Espile, pass to Magno. Magno. Pass to Vidal. Vidal pa. Vidal. Use the glass. Not good. Nariban ni Tabuena. 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 Pass to Art. 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 Pass to Tabuena. Pula. These 2 points para kay Tabuena. Magno. Magno. Sumalaksak. Nawala ko lang ako ni Dai. De La Cruz. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 40 seconds to shoot. Magno inbound the ball. Pass to Tai. Pass to Vidal. Pass to Magno. Wisto ko siya para kay Andrex Magno. Giles pa doon. Pass to Kyle. 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 Fabian. 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 10 shoot. Pass to Giles. Pass to Art. Pass to Tabena. Tabena. 10 shoot. Tabena. Pulat jumper. Ang ganda naman nun. Tabena. Magno. 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 Remove the ball. Pass to Espile. 15 shoot. Espile drive. Pass to Raymond sa 3. Logo. Nalboni. Giles. Save ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Espile pa na ball. Pass to Kai. Kai. Nawala bola naman Giles. Pass to Tabuena. 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 Isko points para kay Tabuena. Vidal. Pump. Vidal. Vidal. Dogwood. Narimoni. Art. Fabian. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Kyle. 10 to shoot. Kyle. Kyle. Susubok sa 3. Block ni Magno. Di ba niya spin pass break para kay Magno. Magno. 1-on-1 situation. Magno. Pull up. Dogwood. Narimon ni Kyle. Pass to Tabuena. 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 Pass to Giles. Giles. Timeout! JBT, remain time, 5 minutes exactly. Score natin, 76-60. 16-point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Espile, pass to Raymond, pass to Magno, pass to Vidal, Vidal, Vidal. These 2 points para kay Vidal. Giles, yung pass to Fabian. Giles, pass to Fabian. 15 to shoot. Fabian. Raymond, first personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Kyle inbound the ball. Pass to Giles. 10 to shoot. Giles. Giles. Crossover. Pump. Gusto na blast. 2 points para kay Giles. Magno. Magdino pa sa JBD. Magno. Magno. Pass to Raymond. Open part for 3. Not good. Everybody. Magno. 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 And the shot pass to Vidal. Not good pa rin. Vidal pa rin. Espide. These 2 points para kay Espide. Art, inbound the ball pass to Fabian. Fabian, repeat the ball. Fabian. Pwede shoot, pass to Tabuena. Grabe ka. Magno. No good na rin ni Art. Pass to Fabian. Pass to Tabuena. These 2 points para kay Tabuena. Dahil ball pass to Espile. Espile. Gets the basket. May kasama back foul. Sabret. Timeout, JBD. Remain time, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Score natin, 82-66. Abuena, second personal foul, 13 foul. Remain time, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Score natin, 82-66, 16-point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Bonus shot para kay Espile. Anybody? Art. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to Fabian. Open part for 3. Fabian! 3. At isip yan ng Otowick, North Caloocan. Espile. Pass to Tubal. Sa 3. Kandu. Deliver ni Art. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to Fabian. Disco points para kay Kyle. Espile. Pass to Olarte. Pass to Raymond. 15 to shoot. Aliw para kay Espile. Mataas. Nakuha ni Fabian. Nakuha ni Sibol. 11 seconds to shoot. Tubal. Ibang the ball. Pass to Raymond sa 3. Kandu, nariba ni Olarte. Behind the back, pass. No good, nariba ni Olarte pa rin. Nawala bola. Possession para sa Twin Fitness. Tabuena. Pass to Reyes. Nawala bola. Nakuha ni Tuba. Nice din ni Tabuena. Pass to Art, pass to De La Cruz, open 5 for 3. Not good, nariba ni Espine. Pass play para kay Raymond. These 2 points para kay Raymond. Taboy na yung ball. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Fabian, nawala bola na ko Tubal. Pass to Espine, 3 on situation, Espine, pass to Raymond. This na glass, these 2 points para kay Raymond. De La Cruz. Pass to Art, pass to Tabuena, pass to Fabian, pass to De La Cruz, pass to Art, and shoot, Sabret, wala tayo, first personal foul, second team foul, 2 shots para kay Art Ibanez. First shot is not good, second shot. One out of 2 para kay Art Ibanez. Magno. Paso Ulate. Ulate kinabila. Plus 2 points para kay Ulate. Reyes, Bautawan, pass 2. Talintig. Paso Tabuena, pass to Fabian. Pass to Art. Nilapag ang bola. Nice pass, nice shot para kay Art Ibanez. Best Mille. Pass to Magno. Pass to Ulate. These 2 points para kay Ulate. Fabian, Bautawan, pass to Tabuena. Tabuena. Dito siya pass to Kyle. Gusubok sa 3. Air ball. Magno, nagdadala ng bola. Magno, 15 seconds. Seconds. No good. Everybody. Reyes. Pass to Tabuena. 5 seconds. Pass na rin. Pass to Art. Kiss na glass. 2 points para kay Art. End of the third quarter. Score natin 92-74. 18-point lead para sa Win Fitness. Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Possession pass sa JDD. Back to the ball pass to Tubal. Binalik kay Magno. Susubok sa 3. Not good. Nalibang ni Reyes. Pass to Art. Pass to Tabuena. Nagpapasayaw. Pass to Fabian. Head to shoot. Pass to Dapen. Not good. Nalibang ni Vidal.
Gusto pa ng
Galing team, first personal foul, first team foul. Magno, 15 to shoot, Magno, no good. Nalibang Reyes. Nice team ni Kapusas. Out of bounds, bola na JBD. Tubal, pass to Kapusas. Binalik kay Tubal. Pass to Vidal. Susubok. Pass to Ulate. These 2 points para kay Ulate. Yes, pass to Tabuena. 15 to shoot. Tabuena. Magno, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Tabuena. First shot para kay Tabuena. First shot is good. Second shot, pasok pa din. 2 out of 2 para kay Tabuena. Wala tayong on the ball. Pass to Magno. Pass to Kapusas. Sa 3. Kapusas! 3. At isa yan. Ang inting. Reyes. Ipadol. Pass to Tabuena. Pass to Talintin. Pass to Kyle. Kyle. Step back for 3. Not good. Nalibang din. Kapusas. Pass to Ulate. Pass to Magno. Not good. Nalibang din. Abusas, perfect foul. Tabena, third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para kay Kabusas. First shot is good. Second shot. Tuwarto para kay Kabusas. Tabena, pass to Talinting. Talinting. Pass to Art. Ibanez. Pass to Tabena. Pass to Kyle. Kyle. Pass to Talinting. Sa tres. Nandun. Deriboni. Tabena. Pass Giles. Pass to Tabena. Ready to shoot. Tabena. Tabena. Pull up jumper. Is 2 points para kay Tabena. Abusa si Manuel. Pass to Magno. Magno, drive, Magno, nakawala. Is 2 points para kay Magno. Tabena, pass play para kay Ibanez. Ibanez, Ibanez, Ibanez! Nakayun! Naliman nila Busas, pass to. Duro, Duro, drive. Kanya pa rin, pass to. Vidal, Vidal, is 2 points para kay Vidal. Tabena. Tabena. Pass to Giles, pass to Talinting, pass to Art, let to shoot Art, Art, pass to Talinting, sa tres, Talinting, at the senior ng Apple Grace Retro Caps. Magno, pass to Lander, sa Tinawan Kyle, pass to, Tabena, 3-on-2 situation. Tabena. No, first personal foul, second team foul. Duarto, para kay Duro. Ay kay Tabena. Duray pa pass to Vidal. Vidal. 15 to shoot, Vidal. Time out. Quick fitness. Remain time 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Score natin 101-87. 14-point lead para sa Win Fitness. Twin Fitness, dalawa pa timeout nyo. JBD, isa na lang. Twin Fitness, dalawa pa timeout nyo. JBD, isa na lang. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Pasuyo daw po ng tricycle. Yung pick-up daw po doon sa dulo, sa harap ng bahay, patanggal daw po. Saka ito pong tricycle dito, yung Paltoda. Number 67, pakiusap po, patanggal. Kukunin na ni Mayor yan, Along. Pakiusap na po. Talinting. Pull-up jumper. Don't do, everybody. Kabusas. Pass to Magno, pull up jumper. Not good, everybody. Tabena. Pull up jumper. It's good para Tabena. Vidal. Bali. Not good, everybody. Giles. Pass to Art. Pass to Talinting. Pasto Fabian. Pasto Giles. Lucy Naglas. 12 points para kay Giles. Magdal Botball, Pasto Luro. Pinali kay Magno. Pasto. Liga natin pa rin. Nalimutin. Art. Pasto Fabian. Slam dunk. Luro, nawala ang bola. Kanya pa rin, Lucy Douglas is 2 points. Giles, inbound the ball, pass to Tabuena. 10 to shoot. Tabuena pa rin. 10 to shoot, Tabuena. 50-point jumper, good. Para kay Tabuena. Bakit pa naman pass to Luro. Pass to Vidal. Sasangin mo. Is 2 points para kay Vidal. Art. Basic lang yan para kay Art. Magno. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Magno. Open 5 for 3. Not good. Rebounding. Talinting. Pass to Tabuena. Isra. Pass to Talinting. 15 to shoot. Pass to Fabian. Pass to Talinting. 8 to shoot. Talinting. 5 to shoot. Pass to Kyle. Long 3. Not good. Rebounding Talinting. Pass to Giles sa 3. Not good. Rebounding Kyle. Talinting sa 3. No good. Rebounding Magno. Pass to Duro. Lucy Douglas. Not good. Vidal. Is 2 points para kay Vidal. Ibanez. Inbound the ball. Pass to Talinting. Pass to Art. Is 2 points para kay Art. Ibanez. Vidal. Is 2 points para kay Vidal. Talinting. Ball pass to Tabuena. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Gilas, pass to Art. Pass to Kyle. Tabuena. Is 2 points para kay Tabuena. Timeout. JBB. Remain time 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Score natin 115-95. 20-point lead para sa Twin Fitness. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Shoutout daw po kay Ranlev. Shoutout, sabi daw po ni boss. Espine, bawat pass po Kabusas. Binali kay Espine. Na-steal ni Art. Pass to Talinting. Pass to Kyle. Pass to De La Cruz. 15 to shoot. Pass to Tabuena. Open 5 for 3. Not good. Daliman ni Espine. Pass play para kay Vidal. Not good. Daliman ni Talinting. Sige na, Fabian, pagbigyan mo ng tao. Isang tao. Welcome to Auto Quick Cup Season 1, Kyle. Bam! Not good lang. Nari mo ni Vidal. Not good. Vidal pa rin. Not good pa rin. Nari mo ni Tabuena. Pass play para kay Kyle. Isa pa ulit, Kyle. Not good pa rin. Art, ikaw naman daw. Kyle. Slam lang yan para kay Kyle. Art, ikaw daw. Isa pa slam. Magno naman daw. Andrex Magno. Mando nandun. Narinig ni Vidal. 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 Nandun pa rin. Ayan na, nakuha ni Art. Pass to De La Cruz. Art. Pakibigyan mo ng mga tao sa best lang. Pass to Tabela. Ayan na. Ibanez. Ibanez. Not good lang. 50 seconds. Vidal. Vidal. Not good pa rin. Narinig mo ni Guy. Eto na. Magno. Not good pa rin. 22 points para kay Magno.
Sagat talaga.